The Quad Lock out front mount is a great option for cyclists that want to mount their smartphone out front. This is great if you use an action camera or have a short stem. The out front mount uses our patented dual stage lock, allowing you to attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. In the box, you'll find the out front mount and 2 spacers. An optional action camera and light adapter is also available. The Quad Lock smartphone case is not included, but can be purchased separately. The Quad Lock out front mount can be installed out front or in reverse back over the stem. The out front mount suits bar diameters of 22, 25.4 and 31.8 millimeters in diameter. To fit your out front mount, simply decide a position and place the clamp around the bars using a spacer if required. Using a 3mm hex key, tighten the screw lightly and then adjust the out front mount to the final position, making sure you have enough clearance for your smartphone. Once in the correct position, tighten the screw and your out front mount is installed. If you've purchased the optional action cam and light adapter, this can be installed by screwing in the supplied 2 screws using a 2.5mm hex key. Once installed, your light or action cam can be fitted and adjusted. To attach, simply hold your Quad Lock compatible smartphone at a 45-degree angle, push onto the Quad Lock and twist. Your smartphone is now securely attached and can only be removed by pushing down the blue lever and twisting your smartphone. Once installed, you can now twist, lock and ride.